This next one is very bizarre. Would you ever imagine attempting to watch a Christopher Nolan film on a Game Boy Advance?
Would I? No.
Well, this guy did it sort of as a challenge. It's a YouTuber, fellow YouTuber. Hello, YouTuber. Wolfden is the name. And he actually did it out of spite. Or at least he did it as a challenge because Nolan had said,
theater.
You got to go see in the theater. And people were like, I can't really get to the theater. It's 2020. A little bit tough.
Huh.
And then the movie tanked. And then Warner Brothers was like, oh, yeah, we're going to be dealing with HBO Max and all that stuff. And it's just Nolan hates it if you watch it in anything but the movie theater, right?
Yeah.
Which I get it. Whatever. I mean, you spend so much effort on the thing that you want people to have the optimal experience. But then you get guys
dark.
then you get guys like this that, as a joke, figure out how to put it on a Game Boy Advance just to bug you. Because that's what the internet does, right?
Yeah.
Crazy part here is it had to be split up into 5 different cartridges, I think.
Oh, right.
Wolf then shows in this video the perfect place to watch Tenet is actually on a Nintendo handheld in the safety of your own home. The movie uses 5 cartridges. Yeah, you can play a little bit of the video. It looks terrible. It's probably the worst way you could possibly watch the film. And he actually states that in the movie, or in the YouTube video himself. If there's any clips of the screen actually playing back the film, you can see it's so dark and low resolution. Yeah, go there. Christopher Nolan has nightmares about such things. I mean, he would much prefer you not to see the movie if this was the way you were going to watch it. Right? Obviously. But there is a sort of a weird cool factor for me of this super old device displaying a really new high-end piece of content. I don't know what it is. It just feels a little novel, like kind of old meets new and
Sure.
retro tech, and I don't know. Maybe I just like the design as well of the Game Boy Advance SP, the little flipping thing. We don't have anything that looks like that in tech anymore. It was so simple.
Yeah.
So few buttons, and anyway, point being, look, he even got the stickers on the thing. That's an added touch, is it not?
Yeah. Kind of like part 2 of 5 kind of thing.
I mean, you're switching cartridges, so let's say it's a 2-hour movie, roughly. I didn't watch it yet. Is it a 2-hour movie? Yeah. Anyway, so you got to divide that by you're switching cartridges all the time.
Yeah.
All right. Shout out to Wolf Den on YouTube.